just murdered 2 civilians.
Blow him to bits. Let's see if he can survive that.
What happened to him after I left?
He got worse. He felt like you abandoned him.
Listen, Zero said something about an island. Does that mean anything to you?
Nope. But maybe Dukes knows.
Fred Dukes? That looks like the creature that ate Fred Dukes.
Hey, be nice, man.
I ain't leaving here till you tell me where Victor is. Come on, Bub, for old time's sake, huh?
Did you just call me Blob?
I got an idea.
This is your idea of it?
Hey, guess what?
Where's Victor?
On the island. They run it together.
What? You know, what? Victor will be with Stryker?
Yeah.
What's the island?
It's where Stryker takes him after Victor's caught him.
Where is it?
Logan, Stryker kept it real secret. But, and prisoner escaped there one.
Coming with you, Logan.
There's no redemption where I'm going.
I ain't asking.
Are you Remy LeBeau?
Do I owe you money? What brings you to our fair city, sir?
Victor Creed. Just need to know where it is.
Why would you think I know that?
Well, because I know who you are, Gambit.
The men who took me wore tags just like them.
You my brother's new babysitter, John?
You even know how to kill me.
I'm gonna cut your goddamn head off. See if that works. Okay, shit, here's the deal. So you're gonna take me to this island where I can kill Creed, Stryker, and pretty much everyone you hate in this world, you understand?
All right, you ready? It's now or never. Let's go.
About time.
finding the right powers that can coexist in one body without ripping it apart.
It reduces the heart rate so low it appears you flatline.
Kayla's mutation is tacto-hypnosis. She can influence people as long as she touches them. Quite a useful tool in a seduction.
I'm just a fool who got played. The worst part of it is I should have known.
Let him go. Your little mind games don't work on me.
Logan! You're not an animal.
I didn't trick you into loving me. It was real for me, too. Please, I'm so sorry.
Wait, is that you? Stryker finally figured out how to shut you up. All right, maybe you do. Let's see you dance up here.
Nobody kills you but me.
I got him!
Oh, no, you don't.
This kid's trying to get off the island. Split up. Go.
I'm on it.
Adamantium bullets. Let's see him heal with a few of these through his thick skull.
You're safe now. Come, we have to go.
Come on, let's go. kids are safe.
Where the hell am I? Listen, man. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. Yeah.